In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glitch effect. We're going to create that classic RGB split and jittery displacement using a simple, non-destructive approach that keeps your original image safe. It's quick, effective, and great for adding a techie, distorted vibe to posters, thumbnails, and social graphics. Start by opening your image and immediately duplicating the layer with Ctrl+J. Duplicating first is key. It protects the original while giving you a copy to experiment with. Make sure the duplicated layer sits above the original in your Layers panel so everything you do remains visible and easy to revert. If you ever want to compare before and after, you can momentarily hide the top layer and bring it back. Next, head to Image, then Adjustments, and choose either Channel Mixer or Levels. Both will let you manipulate individual color channels, which is the secret to that color separation. In Channel Mixer, use the Output Channel menu to pick red, green, or blue. Then make small, deliberate adjustments to the sliders. Think subtle. For example, on the red output, slightly reduce red and nudge green or blue up just a touch. This creates gentle fringing at edges, which reads as a digital misalignment. If you prefer levels, switch the channel dropdown from RGB to red, green, or blue, and slightly adjust the midtones or output sliders. Keep your changes light and watch the edges of high contrast areas. That's where the split becomes most visible. Toggling the preview on and off helps you judge the sweet spot without overdoing it. With the color split in place, switch to the Move tool. Now we'll create that torn, displaced feel by shifting parts of the duplicated layer sideways. Dragging the entire layer can work for a bold look, but selecting and nudging just sections sells the glitch feel even better. Use a simple rectangular selection to grab a strip or block of the image, then move it slightly left or right. Short, sharp offsets look more authentic than huge jumps. Use the arrow keys for precise nudges, and hold shift with the arrows if you want a bigger, consistent step. Create a few different offsets across the frame, some narrow, some wider, to mimic irregular digital tearing. If anything goes too far, undo and try a smaller move. That's it. Duplicate for safety, introduce controlled channel shifts for color separation, and displace sections with the Move tool for that broken signal aesthetic. With a little restraint and variation, you'll have a clean, convincing glitch effect ready to use anywhere.